Hey guys, welcome to Jay's unboxing channel, and today I have the Note 9 for you guys to unbox. Yes, I went ahead and spent $1,000 to unbox this phone, and also because I love Samsung. I've been using Samsung devices like for a while now. I haven't noticed any slowing down on any of their devices since the S7, and the only thing that held me back from buying the Note 8 was its battery life, but this one comes with a monster 4000 milliamp hour battery, so we are good on that. So let's unbox this right here. So I have the T-Mobile variant just because I use T-Mobile. I paid the full price though, and it's unlocked so it can work if I wanted to. Right here, if you want to see if it focuses, of course. All right. Well, it's good it says Note 9 because it should be. Alright, it comes with a SIM ejector tool and the phone, of course. And I've seen like people just doing this, like doing that on unboxing videos to get the phone out. They're freaking stupid. It's just this tab right here. You just do this. Is it that hard to do? Anyway, enough of the ranting. Wow, man. This phone is beautiful. Like everything about it. Look at that. Ooh. I'm gonna make it on because I don't want it to get scratched up yet. My case is still on order, so till it fires up, I'll show you my Galaxy Watch actually. So the update on this one is I am loving this. Like it is so good. Just because like the battery life, the battery life on this is crazy good. I hate that T-Mobile sound. Who doesn't? And the thing I was talking about on the other video that I wasn't able to cover was like it has contrasting stuff in it there. So like for example, see this is shiny. Can you shut up please? Galaxy Note 9. I'm talking, can't you see? Whatever. So right here. You see this is brushed aluminum right here. And this is polished aluminum. So like the contrast is really good. But enough about that. Let's start. Uh, why is it reading out everything to me? Alright, I'll set it up later. I'll just show you what other things that come in the box. It comes with a T-Mobile tool, of course it would. The T-Mobile phone. It has the headphones and then the charger, and I mean nobody wants to see that, but I just unboxed it for you, and I'll post a future video because I'm too excited up right now to like talk about it. You can see like I'm shivering because I'm really excited about this phone, and I'll let you know what I think about it about in a week, and I'll post a review on my channel. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe if you liked it. Another fuck it, I'm just gonna remove that shit. Who cares? Right there. Alright. I'll see you around. Thanks, guys.